Hi everyone, I'm Laura from yourhypnotic.com. I've been having fun on TikTok, but I also wanted to spread some goodness and talk about fasting this week because it's so healthy and healing. So, fasting clip one, here's my 60 seconds on why you would want to fast to get into autophagy. And how do you do autophagy? So, first, think of autophagy as cleaning up your cells, and it's making your cells more efficient. How do you do autophagy? Well, it's pretty simple. There's three key things you want to do if you want to stimulate your autophagy using fasting and food. First, you're going to fast at least 17 hours. Now, the closer you get to 24 hours, you start ramping up autophagy. And 72 hours, your autophagy is at its peak. Second, and what I feel is the most important, is you want to break your fast with fat so you can keep your blood sugar balanced and you continue the fast. Third is when you do want to eat, you want to keep your protein under 20 grams. See, you do those three things in a 24-hour period, you will stay in autophagy. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening, and may your day be filled with love and satisfaction. Namaste.